enjoying your drive? Well, no matter how confident or competent you are with your driving skills, you're never far from dangers on the road. Many drivers don't realise that when they hog the overtaking lane, they cause frustration, aggressive driving, and contribute to road crashes. So if you're a slower driver, there's no point to holding the overtaking lane. It's bad, selfish, and unsafe driving. And even worse, you push other drivers to take dangerous risks on the road. It's time to change our driving behaviour and share roads responsibly, with kindness and courtesy to other road users. For your own safety, do not hog the overtaking lane when you're using multi-lane roads. Stay to the left unless you're overtaking, turning right, avoiding an obstruction, or stuck in congested traffic. And always use indicators when changing lanes. Defensive driving is safe driving. Share roads responsibly and safely. Arrive alive.